Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a wedding gift. It's a champagne flute or flutes, as they're getting married. So it's a pair. So here we are. This is the Easy Woods finisher. Just sort of getting this to some type of round, and also now creating the shape of the top. Going in with the Jacob's chuck and a 9mm drill bit. We're going to go as far as we need. Now on these ones it's about 25mm. I go a little bit further than that because I'm going to recess the top of this in just a minute. I kind of want the stem of the flute to sit inside the top of the wood, so I'm just using my #1 hollower there from Easy Wood Tools to do that. And here we go back with the Easy Wood finisher, just now starting to define that shape a little bit more. I'm not trying to go too thin at the minute, just really trying to get this whole thing quite balanced out. A little bit of slow motion there with the ribbons. Look at those ribbons, even on wood, eh? Would you look at that?
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets.
And there we are now, just defining the little grooves, little shapes that I'm after. And again, coming back with the Easy Wood finisher, CI3. Sorry, almost said CI5. No, it's not. I've got that one on the brain.
Even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.
And here's the Easy Wood parting tool. I'm just now defining that foot, getting rid of the waste material, getting ready for sanding. Here we are sanding. On this one I am actually sanding from 80 grit up to 240. I am also using cling spore abrasives. A little bit of sanding sealer here. Didn't need too much. 2 coats absolutely did it fine. And then on with the Yorkshire grit, just winding that wheel back, getting that Yorkshire grit worked in. Speeding the lathe up. And all done. And now on to the Hampshire sheen high gloss finish. And watch this pop. There it starts. You see it just there.